Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you yet another amazing face mask to help you fight acne scar, minimize pores and moisturize. This mask is most suitable for people with oily skin and combination skin type. If you're new to this channel, here we just love to share plant-based botanical beauty secrets. So if that is something that interests you, please keep watching. So for this recipe, we're going to need 1 teaspoon of turmeric, which contains antioxidant and is anti-inflammatory. We're also going to need 1 teaspoon of oatmeal. Oatmeal soaks up the excess oil of your skin and it helps treat acne by removing all that extra excess oil. 1 teaspoon of yogurt, which is highly moisturizer and it also heals dry skin. It's also rich in vitamin B2, B5 and B12. So it hydrates and it heals. Also, we're going to need 1 teaspoon of honey, which contains antioxidant and is antiseptic and antibacterial and is highly moisturizing as well as the yogurt. And for this, we're going to need 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. I made this aloe vera gel fresh early today, so it's full of all the minerals and all the vitamins that aloe vera has, like vitamin C and vitamin E, and all this anti-inflammatory property. So we're also going to need 4 drops of vitamin E to make the skin look lustrous and beautiful and younger, and removes all those radicals and all that dryness and flakiness that sometimes occur with acne. And also 3 drops of tea tree. We know tea tree is perfect for acne because it's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, and also calm redness and swelling and inflammation. It might also help to prevent and reduce acne scars, so leaving your skin smooth and clear. And that's one of the reasons why tea tree is one of my favorite. I love tea tree. If you've been watching my videos, you will see that I use tea tree a lot, but with caution. So because I do have acne, that I've been dealing with acne all my life, so I'm in a journey to get rid of it once and for all. After you have cleansed your face with a cleanser of your choice, apply the mask. I like to steam my face for about 5 to 10 minutes to open the pores so the mask can better do its job. Now let's apply this mask all over the face and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes or until it's dry to the touch. let's rinse it all up with warm water, not hot, and pat dry with a clean towel. Please beware, turmeric stains a lot. As you can see, my skin looked kind of yellowish, and so was my towel and sink and everything. So make sure you use a towel that can be thrown away, or a dark color towel that is not white. I think I threw away like 2 towels or something like that after I clean up. So even my headband got a stain, and I had to quickly wash it off so it wouldn't stay in it. So my takeaway on this mask is this: my face feels really smooth and hydrated. It feels soft to the touch. The only thing I don't like I said before, is the yellowish on my skin and the mess, of course. So I was kind of worried it will stay on my pillow, but it quickly went away when I applied toner to my skin. No problem there. I did use the mask for the next 5 days on a road, and my skin looks brighter, it feels softer and more hydrated. It definitely looks a lot better than before. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye bye.